Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Bowleys Quarters, local and long-distance movers near me. There's a lot of things to take into account when you decide to relocate your home or business miles away. You have to undergo the hassle of finding a new home, school, dealing with legal formalities, paperwork, and saying farewell to friends and family. In the midst of all these emotionally exhausting tasks, last thing you need to worry about is a safe and careful delivery of your belongings and valuables. 3 men and a truck is ideal for carrying out your long-distance move. Our moving crew will load, transport, and unload all your stuff at your new destination. Our moving team at the Bowleys Quarters will provide you a high professional quality service at affordable prices. We also handle everything from packing and heavy lifting to unpacking your stuff and reassembling your furniture at your new space. In just a few hours, you'll be all set. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bowleys Quarters moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.